Hello, my children. I welcome you to English class. This is your Rubab ma'am. So let's start the chapter singular and plural. Children, in the previous part, I have taught you what is singular and plural, how they are changed into plural by adding s, how few words that end with letter y are changed into plural by adding ies. So in this video I'm going to take the third rule, that is by adding es to the nouns that end in s, sh, ch, x or o. Children, all these words that ends in letter s, sh, ch, x and o, we add es to them. You have to remember these words s, sh, ch, x or o. All the words that end with s, sh, ch, x and o, we add es to them to make plural. Let's take few examples. Here are few examples given. First one is dish and the plural is dishes. So children, can you see the word dish ends with sh, isn't it? So to make it plural, we are adding es to the noun. Now let's take the second example, tomato. Can you see tomato is ending with the letter o, and they are saying the word that ends with o, we add es. So here we added es to make it plural. Then we come to the third example, that is box. It's ending with the letter x. So children, what we have done? We have added ex to the word box. So it becomes plural boxes. Why we have added es? Because it's ending with the letter x. Now we come to the fourth example, glass. It says the noun that end with s. Now they're giving the example of s. Glass is ending with the letter s. So we again have to add es to make it plural. So glass, glasses. Then watch, ch. The word watch is ending with ch. So in this case we are again going to add es because it's ending with ch. So children, these are the examples which end with s, sh, ch, x or o. So in that case we will add es to the nouns. Okay children, now remember this. All the words that end with s, sh, ch and x and o, we add es to make them plural. Just remember this. Okay, thank you.